the channel. So I was sitting here like, I'm currently on a social media fast. I've just been clearing my mind and being in tune with God right now just to get some clarity on things. And I'm like, should I record a video? Should I not record a video? So I just decided to pull out this camera, child. Today, I am making my fiance's bow tie and his handkerchief for our engagement pictures that we are taking this weekend. So this video ain't gonna be too much, honey. I'm just taking the overthinking out of it and just pulling out the camera. Who knows if this will get posted or not, but I'm gonna set y'all up. I'm gonna set y'all up right here while I get this done. I found this pattern from hellosewing.com for the bow tie. The handkerchief, I didn't really need a pattern for. It's just a basic square. So I'm about to cut this out and get started. Actually, let me grab my tripod so y'all not just sitting in the corner. And I know. You probably looking in the background like, that look different, cause it is. So much has happened that I'm gonna have to catch y'all up on. Cause I don't even know how long it's been since I've been on YouTube. I really don't know how long it's been. I feel like it's been at least 6 months, right? I don't know. Let me put y'all on tripod. Okay, so this is not no tutorial or nothing. I'm setting it up to get myself out of overthinking, okay? So, watch me work. I promise you, you are my world. It's all about you. You are the sun, you always shine through. Everything is okay, 'cause no matter what, it's a beautiful day. 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 On top of the world, I'm walking. I'm giving it all. I'm on my way to you. I promise you a beautiful day regardless. Can't take it away. I'm on my way to you. I promise you. It's a beautiful day. Compassionate, merciful, slow to anger, full of love. When I reach the end of who I am, I meditate on who you are. This life is a mist. It flickers and falters. My heart is at rest in the arms of my Father. You fill my life with good things, good things. Yeah, my cup runneth over. Your heart overflows with good things, good things. When I thought it was okay, y'all, so I finished the bow tie and the handkerchief. Here's the handkerchief, so perfect. Dry came here and like folded it perfectly. I'm just a girl, I don't really know how to fold these, but perfect. Looks good. Looks great, actually. This was the first time with sewing that I actually utilized iron. Okay, y'all, my SD card got full, but like I said, I'm done with the handkerchief and the bow tie. It looks so good. Oh, sorry. It looks so good. And Gerard tried it on. It fits perfectly. He can tie it perfectly. I think I was telling y'all this is the first time where I actually like utilized an iron while sewing. Just learning ways to be better, get better. And that's just one of the things that professionals do to make their sewing look professional and not homemade, you know? So I'm super proud of this. This is my first time making a bow tie and a handkerchief. Handkerchief is just a square, but this bow tie, pretty proud of that. That's my first time doing that. Now I am about to hem my dress. I got the dress from Fashion Nova, but it was way too long. Like, I'm short and that dress was so long. Even with the heels on, it was way too long. My grandma helped me get the length right and get it hemmed. We pinned it up and all I gotta do is sew it now. So we pinned it up all along here. She taught me about the ironing and all of that. So I am about to just sew all the way across this hemline. Everything will be ready clothing wise. Now I'm gonna show y'all my dress. I'm gonna show y'all the bow tie and the handkerchief, him actually wearing it once we actually go out and take pictures in a couple days. So yeah, stay tuned to see how everything actually looks together. But let me go ahead and sew this up. We're off to take our pictures. Look at his bow tie. It came out really nice. I'll give y'all a better view once he has both of them on. It looks so good. We're getting married.
We're getting married.
This is not my ring. Long story short, I lost my ring. Be better than me. Tell him, babe. Tell him be better than me.
Be better than you.
Look at him. He looks good.
She did this. Bow.
Yes.
Bow.
Yeah.
Bow.
Give it to him.
Bow.
Yeah. We look good. Currently waiting on the photographer. But that's the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.
Good things, good things. Yeah, my cup runneth over, your heart overflows with